What's up, everybody? Brody's Garage, episode 6. We're here at SEMA here in Las Vegas. I'm here with Al Nakata, and we're checking out all the stuff. Let's see what we got. This one's for Dad. He loves his 67 to 69 Ford F100 trucks. One more for Dad. Although Dad likes the long beds, this is a short bed. So we did actually stumble across a Nova 67. And this car was featured in a YouTube series from Hot Rod magazine. I think it was called Weak to Wicked. They built the car in 7 days, allegedly. I think it was a car that had a, I don't know if it was a 6-cylinder V8. Anyway, they pulled everything apart, replaced the suspension, engine, wheels, interior. Sadly, I didn't see a lot of the vendors that I wanted to see at SEMA this year. I went there to hopefully find the TMI Products interior booth. I was hoping to talk to Holly. What else? Weld wheels, just all the things that I had planned to do for my car. I was hoping to see them in person, and man, there was almost none of them there. Still a lot of cool stuff, a lot of cool cars, and a lot of really inspiring builds. Spent a lot of time looking at details and gaps and finishes and just stylistic choices mostly. And I'm inspired, actually. I felt pretty good that one day I might actually have a car that I could enter in the show as well. There was everything from mild to wild, imports, four-wheel drives. Of course, mostly what I was interested in was the classics, the muscle cars, and ways to modernize them. But it was a good day. It was a beautiful day here in Las Vegas. The weather was good. And after about 3 hours, I think I decided I had had enough and my knee had had enough. And so I called it a day and came on home. And anyway, that concludes episode 6 of Brody's Garage. Sorry we didn't get any work done on the car, but it was a great break from that. And it was a great time to get out and go see some other great builds here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Tune in for the next episode. I will get back to work, I promise, and get some stuff done here in the garage. Until then, take care.